Hey folks, welcome to Mongrels Garage. Well, today we're going to try our hand at small engine repair. I got this used generator, and now that we got the shop built, we kind of want some power out here. So I'm going to see if we can get this running. We're going to start with some of the basic stuff.
You could try to play, but you're never gonna beat me. Look the other way, what I'm doing ain't easy. Bloody hands stained from the people who deceive me. Muddy hands break through the chains, go free me.
We don't have keys for it. It hasn't run in a couple years, I do know that. I'm pretty sure this fuel is pretty nasty. Oh, I can't even get the cap off.
You want some help with that?
No. Holy smokes. Oh, there we go. Don't know. Oh, okay. There it is. Woo. Oh. Okay, yeah, that fuel is nasty. We're gonna have to take this tank off, drain it. But let's get into it, see what we can do. And if you hear an airplane sound, well, I got the fan going because it's really hot today. So you'll have to bear with me on that, I think. Okay, well, we're gonna start by getting this battery off. Now, there's very little hope that that thing's any good whatsoever, but nonetheless, we'll take it off, see what we got. Throw it on the charger for a little bit, see if it comes around. Nope, it won't. Yeah, this thing's been sitting outside for a while, so.
Stitch.
It's gonna be pretty ugly, I think. There we go. 10 mil is gonna be our friend today. Hopefully I haven't lost all of them. Yeah, that's gonna be our ground. Not much color left on these, so I gotta kind of pay attention to where they go. What Bryce from High Spider Garage is up to today. Oh, this heat's kind of reminding me of Arizona, so I'm sure he's working today. It is a Monday. Okay, that's that one off. Upper washer off. Put that there. Now, is this going to loosen off? I hope these studs breaking. No, probably not. Oh, yeah, that's so rusty. The wrench won't even fit on it. What about this one? This is not a friendly place to get to. Okay, we're going to go to plan B. We're going to just try to charge that in situ. We'll get the charger. Next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to check the oil. It actually doesn't look too bad. That's nice clean oil in there. Excellent.
Excellent.
One thing we won't worry about right now then. Well, let's see if this turns. So I took this cover off. Yeah, we got turnage. Excellent.
Excellent.
There's a good chance we'll get this to run then. So the next thing we're doing is making sure the fuel shut off. Then we'll undo the hose here, and we'll get this tank off so we can drain it. And the reason we want the fuel shut off is so that we're not draining fuel all over everything as we're pulling it off. Okay, oh, that stinks. Yep, that's nasty. Oh, that is a foul smell. See, we're getting this tank off next. Number 8. It's a lot nicer having a covered area to work in, let me tell you. Wish I would have done that a little sooner. But like everything, it's means and timing. Okay, that should let us get the tank off now. Let's see. There we go. Nice. We'll get this old nasty fuel out of it. Okay, I got my jerry can that I use as my fire starter. I put all the nasty fuel in. Let's see what this looks like, shall we? Oh, how yellow that is. Oh my goodness, it's almost fluorescent. Wow. Okay, that's pretty bad. It's a good thing we checked that. That's been in there for a long time. But I don't see any rust or anything coming out, so that's a good thing. Tank will probably be still in good shape then. All right, I think we got as much as we're getting out of there. Good deal. Now, when I was working on the tank, I did notice that our shutoff valve didn't flow any fuel, so we're going to take the air nozzle, blow the air into here, and blow it backwards so we can blow the blockage out. Okay, while we're waiting for our fuel tank to air out a bit, we're going to test our starter. So I got the negative hooked up. I got my big battery over here. I'd say our starter works good. Right on. Now we just got to figure out how to get the power on. See what we got. All right, the next thing we're going to do is we're going to check for spark here. You see we got the spark plug out. It's attached to the lead. Now the lead is looking a little bit rough, but that's okay. As long as it has spark, we're good. And one thing I'd like to point out is that, yes, we're doing a small motor today, or small engine, whatever you want to call it. But this is to show that everything's kind of the same. You got spark, you got fuel, you got compression. You should be able to get things to run. So right now, let's go see if we get some spark. Yeah, looks like we got it. Excellent.
Excellent.
Let's move on. Okay, I put a drop of fuel in the cylinder just to see if it fires even. Well, there we go. Nice. Excellent.
Excellent.
It runs. All right, that's awesome. All right, folks, let's see if we can get this running a little bit longer this time. All right, so now we just got to get the fuel supply sorted out. Well, I'm pretty sure the carb's going to need a good cleaning, so we're going to take that off and make sure it's all clear. Another one on here someplace? Must be. Oh yeah, right on the back. There we go. This has one of those safety solenoids on it, so we'll pop that off. See how our float bowl's looking. Oh, there's the yellow. Gross. Yeah, it's definitely got some varnished fuel in it, so that sucker don't want to come off. Huh, I'm gonna have to work at this. All right, managed to get our little solenoid thing out of there. I just had to play around with different bits. We'll get our float bowl off next, maybe. Ah, yeah, lovely. Looks like we might be okay on that. And we got our floats. Fortunately, the bowl looks actually pretty clean. We might be okay. Well, I'll go take this and blow some air through it and make sure all the passages are good. Take our hose off, make sure it flows. And I'll be back. Okay, our needle and seat was very stuck. We managed to get it unstuck. Blew out a few of the passages, so I think we're in better shape now. I remember how this, didn't pay close enough attention to see how this bowl was orientated. Hopefully it doesn't matter too much. Uh-oh, I lost my little O-ring someplace along the way. Better go find it. See if this will take any fuel. Excellent.
Excellent.
Looks like the needle's working. Yeah, I gotta go find that little O-ring. I did find my key retainer though. That was good. Okay, we've got our carb back on. We gotta have to clean it up, and if we've done everything right, this should run for more than a few seconds. Guess we didn't do everything right. Let's try priming it. Ah! Nice.
All right, all right, all right.
That's amazing. Now we just got to get the fuel tank working. Okay, having this thing running is one thing. Having it generating power is another story, but we're gonna see if we can fire it up. I got the fan plugged into it. If it runs and it generates the power, then it should power that fan back up. Let's find out. Guess I gotta prime it again. Yeah, fan's going! Shut up! Yeah! Nice. Okay, well that's awesome, man. We've got power coming out of this thing. So now all I have to do is I have to get the fuel tank back on it. And the problem I was having was I could not clean out that shutoff valve. So I might have to go pick up a new one. I can also replace these little hoses and stuff while I'm at it, but right on. There we go. We got it running. We got power. I'm very happy with this. All right, folks, after much prodding and poking and air and all sorts of other things and soaking, finally got that fuel valve to work, I think. Got it unclogged. So let's dump some gas in here, see what we've got. My O-ring's not very good. It's gonna leak all over the place. Put a little in her for now. Make sure everything's gonna work. Give it a bit of the prime.
That's a question you should ask yourself.
Contact. Oh, wait. Try that again. Round 2, contact. I don't think she's drawing the fuel in. A little more in, just in case. Prime it again. Try that again. Okay, didn't notice my mic died. Let's try this again. Okay, we got the fan plugged in. I think this should fire up pretty good now. Let's find out. We put more gas in it. We primed it again. Might have to hit the choke. 3, 2, 1, contact. Yeah! Yeah! We got power! Running, fans going! Woo! Yeah! Okay, well that is awesome. We got the generator running, it's feeding off its tank, it's providing power to the fan. That means we got power out here in the shop without having to run the extension cords out. That is awesome. So again, thank you for taking the time to watch the video, and if you don't mind hitting that bell, let you know when the next video is coming out, giving us a thumbs up, leaving some comments, and subscribing. Come on, it's free. All right, thanks again for watching. We'll catch you on the next video.